In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub repository. Whether you're new to GitHub or just looking to brush up on the basics, this step-by-step guide will walk you through each action thoughtfully and clearly. Let's get started by signing into GitHub. If you're not already logged in, head over to the GitHub website and enter your credentials to access your account. This is your starting point, as you'll need to be signed in to create a repository. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to creating your new repository. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the GitHub homepage. You'll notice a plus icon there. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select New Repository. If you prefer, you can also directly navigate to the Create New Repository page if you have the URL handy. Either method is fine and will take you to the same place. Once you're on the New Repository page, it's time to fill in the details of your repository. Start by entering a name for your repository. Choose something meaningful so that it's easily recognizable, like My First Project. You also have the option to add a brief description. While the description is optional, it's helpful to include a few words about what this repository will contain or what its purpose will be, especially if you plan to share it with others or work on multiple projects. The next decision you'll need to make is about the visibility of your repository. You'll see options to make your repository public or private. If you select public, your repository will be viewable by anyone. This is great for open source projects or when you want to showcase your work. On the other hand, if you select private, only you and the collaborators you specifically invite will be able to access the repository. Choose the option that best fits your project's needs. Before you finalize your repository, GitHub provides an option to initialize it with some important files. You'll notice a checkbox to add a README file. It's generally a good idea to check this box because a README file allows you to provide detailed information about your project, enhancing clarity and understanding for anyone viewing it. You also have optional settings to add a .jitnor file and a license, depending on the nature of your project and your preferences. Once you've made these choices, you're ready for the final step, clicking the Create Repository button. With one click, GitHub will instantly generate your new repository, and you'll be taken to its main page. And that's it. You've successfully created a GitHub repository, and you're ready to start working on your project. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started on GitHub.